Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a look with more colors. So I decided to do blue because that's my favorite color and I haven't done a blue look since forever ago. I think it was like a year ago. So I decided to do an all blue look. I can redo this in like a brown if anybody wants. It's up to you guys, but I really want to do it in a color because I don't really do colors very often. So of course you can interchange this blue with purple, pink, brown, gold, reds, whatever you want. That's just how eyeshadow works. But I just wanted to do blue because I thought, why not? I haven't done a color in ages. So anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this blue half cut crease halo look, keep on watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids using Anastasia Beverly Hills Warm Natural Stick Foundation. I'm just using this because it's a little bit brighter than my eyelids, so it's going to cancel out any discoloration. Then I'm just going to blend that in. To set this, I'm going to go in with Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Pound Cake. I'm going to be using this Beau Belle E1 brush. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's 39A Dare to Create palette. I'm going to start by putting a small amount of this brown into my crease for my transition shade. I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 Fluffy Blending Brush. You just want to put a really small amount, so it's not overpowering. So next I'm going to be blending in this dark blue into my crease, as well using this fluffy crease brush. I'm going to use that first brush that I used to blend in that brown, just to make sure these edges aren't too harsh. I just clean off my brush a little bit on a towel before I go in again. Now I'm going to be taking a clean blending brush just to really make sure this isn't too blue up by my brow bone. So next I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm just going to be cutting the center, so just from like here to here in a crescent shape. And I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Beige. I'm going to take that on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 Flat Concealer brush. So next I'm going to use that same concealer brush, and I'm going to line the top of this cut crease with this bright blue. Just going to take a little bit. Now I'm just going to blend this darker blue into that bright blue we just put on our lids. I lied. I'm going to blend it into this blue. I'm going to go back into that bright blue and just make sure these two blend together well. I'm gonna go back in with that dark blue and just blend these together. Blend the sides out. So I'm just gonna smudge some of this black right on my lash line using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 brush. I'm just gonna go directly on the lash line. And I don't want it to be too dark, I just want to darken it up slightly. Just like that. Next I'm gonna go in with this Buxom Call Me eyeliner. And I'm just gonna line my waterline. And I'm gonna go in with that same smudger brush. I'm just gonna take that fluffy Morphe S12 brush and just blend that all out. So next we're gonna go in with our lashes, and I'm gonna be using velour lashes. These ones are Dream Girl. So now that our eyes are basically done, I'm just gonna warm up my face using Morphe's Highlight and Contour Palette 8H Hi-Fi. And I'm gonna be going in with Debutant and Vlogger mixed. So it's those two on this Morphe Rose Gold brush. For blush, I'm going to be using Morphe's 8C Cool Pro palette, and I'm going to be going in with Sexy. So for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild kit, and I'm going to go in with Blue Moon. I'm going to be using this on my cheekbones as well as my eyes, nose, and Cupid's bow. So for my cheeks, I'm going to be using this A23 highlighter brush by Anastasia. For my brow bone, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush. And for my nose, I'm going to be using this A25. And then my pinky for my inner corner. So I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm going to be using Big Tease by Buxom. And now for lips, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Demi Matte in Sheeo. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I hope you guys like this cooler look. I don't do a lot of colors often, so I thought this one was kind of interesting. I can redo it in a brown or something a little bit more wearable if you guys want it, but I just wanted to do a little fun one. So hopefully you liked it, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.